You are going to love the 2017 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.